What do you have there? What are you playing with? Did Grandpa leave that yucky beer here?
Yeah.
Yeah. And now it's your toy? Is that yours?
Mine.
Really?
Yeah.
You like Michelob Ultra?
Yeah.
Nice, Milena. I don't think you have enough toys in this house, do you? You need to go get Grandpa's beer out of the storage room, huh?
Yeah.
What are those?
Voodoo. Voodoo. Voodoo.
Are those fun?
Yeah.